Hello everyone, welcome to asktraders.com. Today we will be looking at the New Zealand versus Swiss franc currency pair and its price potential for the upcoming week. First off, I would like to bring your attention to the long-term downtrend trend line. What we see is a breakout at this point. That was the first breakout, then the pullback, which seems to be was a kick out stop loss move, because there would be many stop losses at this area after the breakout of the trend line. So stop losses have been kicked out, price went back up, broke above the downtrend trend line once again, and if we zoom in, we can see that the price has rejected actually the 200 exponential moving average after the breakout. So this now is a key support area for this pair. The next move, I would expect the price to be going upwards towards one of the Fibonacci levels. I will zoom out once again so we can see that there is a Fibs applied to this wave down, the last point of rejection of the trend line. Moving on to the daily chart, this is the initial bottom because there was no closure below this low. So I have applied only to this wave. Back to 6-hour chart. So we have 61.8 Fibs near 0.6 level, which is a very strong psychological resistance. And this is where the price most likely will be headed, because psychological resistance combined with the technical resistance makes it a very strong target level for the bulls should the trend start moving to the upside. Now let's move on to the 30-minute chart. And here is a little bit different picture. What we have is a triangle pattern, and we had a breakout above the triangle right there. So we have applied another Fibs to this correction after the breakout of the triangle, where price has rejected the 200 moving average exponential once again. So we had the rejection on the 6-hour chart and we had the rejection on the 30-minute chart. And this seems like a bullish pattern because triangle broken, price returned back to the trend line, uptrend trend line, rejecting the moving average. And here is a good point of entry if this support here will be holding. But remember that the key support is still at 0.5890 level. Only daily break below this level will completely invalidate this bullish scenario. At currently, what we can expect, price might still consolidate between this support level and the downtrend trend line, which hasn't been broken. Perhaps the move to the upside will begin once there will be 1 hour close above this downtrend trend line, and this will be the beginning of this initial move towards 0.60 level. Now, and finally, I would like to show you another chart, which is 8-hour chart. And basically what we have is this uptrend trend line. You can consider it as an average price trend line because we had a bounce, it was support, now acting as a resistance. Here was support once again. And we can expect it to continue to act as the resistance as price continues to move. Now here was a close above the exponential moving average. Prior to that, we had another close and yet another close. So price already showing some bullish tendency here after these breakouts, and this is likely to continue, although trend might be actually moving up quite slowly. So this is the outlook for the New Zealand versus Swiss franc, which means that the Swiss franc overall will be getting weak and the New Zealand dollar can get strong. And back to the point where Swiss franc will be getting weak, we will continue with our previous week idea, which was Swiss franc versus Japanese yen. So this was our view, and the key resistance lies at this point because this is the point of rejection of 200 exponential moving average on the daily chart. This is very important high here. Price attempted to break above, although it failed to close above this price, which means that bears are still in control and the price is likely to produce at least double bottom as long as there will be no daily close above this high. So this high now became more important, 111.66, and daily close above will invalidate the bearish scenario and traders will start buying. although maybe not immediately after some consolidation. But for now, more consolidation should be expected because it's a daily chart. Some few days price could be on the same spot, but overall, at least a double bottom here is expected. Okay, guys, so this was the outlook from the asktraders.com for this week. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.